The 2022 Forte delivers a modern cabin defined by a driver-centric, high-tech interior space. Key feature enhancements include a larger 4.2-inch color TFT LCD cluster, standard on all trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto 6 is now standard through the 8-inch touchscreen display audio/infotainment system, standard on FE, LXS, 25-inch wide touchscreen 1 navigation/infotainment standard on GT and GT line, includes free map care updates. Center console with newly available integrated electronic parking brake, EPB, and auto hold, available rear USB charger, smart key now features. Remote Start 7, standard on GT, GT line, available Syntex synthetic leather seating.